Okay, right. Very good morning to all of you students. Very good morning to all. So last class we completed only 5 problems in 6.3 linear inequality chapter. Next continuation. So 6, 7 and 5 I was given homework. See, 8th question, all questions are same model, same pattern, same model, same pattern. Listen carefully. So little bit changes, So see this, 8th question you see all of you. X plus y less than or equal to 9, comma, y greater than x, comma, x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0. So in that one, given two inequalities, x greater than or equal to 0, it is not inequality. Okay, na? X greater than or equal to 0 means that the solution should be present in first quadrant. Understand? Listen. Given one, x plus y less than or equal to 9 you take. So implies x plus y it is equal to 9. It is equation number 1. X plus y less than 9. This is equation number 2. So simplify this one. You take table for this. X, y. The next one. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So 9. Put x equal to 0, comma, y is equal to 0 in equation number 2. So what happens? This is 0 less than 9. It is true. Next, the second one you take, y greater than x implies this one you take y is equal to x. Let y is equal to x. This is it is always passes through. Origin. This is always passes through origin. So this one I will modify for where we have to shade this one. That is the main doubt facing many students. Facing the same problem. So y greater than x. So you should write very clearly it passes through origin. Right? Okay na? So always you take positive side only. Okay na? Y is equal to minus x means that is in negative, means y is equal to x means this side you have to take. So y is equal to x. This is y is equal to minus x. Remember this one. Cannot y is equal to minus x, like that they won't give. So always they will give y is equal to x, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 1 by 2x, y is equal to 3x, y is equal to 4x. Whatever the graph is given, you will take this one. So in your questions, many questions based on this one. Don't be confused. Right? Next. Now upper shade ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ shade ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x minus y minus x greater than 0. So this is a simplified x minus y greater than 0. Minus multiplying on both sides, what happens? X minus y less than 0. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೈ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇಡ್ greater than 0 you shade here, less than 0 you shade here. Remember this point. So this is less than area, this is greater than area. Remember this point. This is very important. Okay, for understanding purpose I was written these points. Understand? For understanding purpose you note down this. Right? After that, so take the graph. After this, you take the graph. Next term, x dash, y dash. And next term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4. Now, scale. 1 unit on x-axis, 1 unit on y-axis. 1 unit on x-axis, 1 unit on y-axis. Clear this one? Now, first point, x equal to 9, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 9 here. Y is equal to 9 here. So, here less than or equal means you take dark line. You take dark line. Now this name also you write x plus y less than or equal to 9. Next, it is a true or false? It is true means so you have to shade this side. So this side just you keep like that. Means what you understand? So our solution for this line here it is present. Remember this. Next one is y is equal to x always passes through origin. I said always passes through origin. This is y greater than x. Y greater than x. Y greater than x. So y greater than x means I said very clearly. This is modified. What we are getting x minus y less than 0 na. X minus y less than 0 means where we have to shade above the line. So this side we have to shade. Above the line we have to shade. So this is down. This is coming up. Both are intersecting here only na. So this line coming down. So this is coming up. So both are intersecting here only na. So this area shaded with the shaded lines here. So that is our solution region. Understand very clearly. That is our solution region. So that is our solution region. The shaded region is the solution set. Shaded region is the solution set. Note down fast. The shaded region is the solution set. Note down fast. Both are intersecting this area. In this area having common solution. In this area having common solution. in this area having common solution. Note down fast. Next one, ninth one, 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20, comma, x greater than or equal to 1, y greater than or equal to 2. This one you do homework. This one you do homework. 10th one, 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 16, x plus 3y less than or equal to 13, comma, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So 9th one you do homework. 9th one you do homework. See 10th one. Here you take graphs for only these two only. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 means the common solution should be present in first quadrant. So these two indicates the common solution should be present in first quadrant. So no need to take a graph for these two. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So you should draw graphs for these two inequality. See, first one, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 16. You take 3x plus 4y, it is equal to 60, equation number 1. Next one, 3x plus 4y less than 60. This is equation number 2. You take table for equation number 1 as it is procedure. Table for equation number 1. So see that, so x, y, so y is equal to 0, x equal to 0, you have to assume. So see, first y is equal to 0 substitute, what happens? 3x equal to 60. So 3x equal to 60, x equal to 20. X equal to 20. Next term, x equal to 0 substituted, what happens? 4y is equal to 60. So 4y is equal to 60 means y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50. Next one. So put x equal to 0, comma, y is equal to 0 in equation number 2. In equation number 2, so what happens? 0 less than 60. 0 is less than 60, that is true. 0 less than 60, that is true everywhere. 0 less than 60, that is true everywhere. Same like that, you have to take a second one. X plus 3y less than or equal to 30. So in this included x plus 3y, it is equal to 30. Equation number 3, x plus 3y, so less than 30, that is equation number 4. Now take table for equation number 3. So x, y, so y is equal to 0, what happens? X is equal to 30. So y is equal to, x is equal to 0, what happens? X is equal to 10. Now put x equal to 0, comma, y is equal to 0 in equation number 4. So what happens? That is 0 less than 30. So it is also true everywhere. It is also true everywhere. Right, very good. It is also true everywhere. Understand, students? So these all points understand or not? So like we did previous only. So after that scale you have to write the scale. So see here x values. So x values here maximum 20, here maximum 30. So 30, 20 is there, means you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 30 you have to take. So that is a little bit lengthy. That's why you have to take for one unit you have to take 5 units. So for 1 unit means so in between length you have to take 5 units. So take the scale. 5 units on x-axis, 5 units on x-axis, 5 units on y-axis. Take 5 units on x-axis, 5 units on y-axis. Means each length. So like means little bit numbers will come. Okay, na? You can follow as it is 30 numbers means you can follow. That is your choice. Okay, na? Whatever the graph is, compulsory same shape will come. That's why. So that is I will adjust it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So here -5, -10, -15, -20. Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here -5, -10, -15, -20. So like that we have to take. So each length is 5, 10. Means that's why 5 units on x-axis, 5 units on y-axis. Understand? Right. So after that first point you see equation number 1. So x equal to 20, y is equal to 0. X equal to 20, the point is here. So y is equal to 0 means. Next one is x equal to 0, y is equal to 15 means here the point. So that is equal is there. Dark line you have to shade. Dark line you have to shade. So this is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. Then where we have to shade. So that is true only now. That is true means you have to shade origin side. You have to shade down. That is true means. So next we'll go for equation number 3. Equation number 3, x equal to 30. X equal to 30 and y is equal to 10. Now join with the dark line. This is x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. Okay, now where we have shade, this is also true. Downside we have to shade. Downside we have to shade. So both are intersected where? Both are intersected where? In this area only na? In this area only na? Both are intersected in this area or not? In this area. That area you have to shade it. That area you have to shade it. That area you have to shade it. So the shaded region is the shaded. So up to this one only, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to they said. That's why in first quadrant only you have to shade. This is your first quadrant. In that first quadrant common area only you have to shade it. This is your common area. This is your common area, you have to shade it. Not on first. The shaded region is the solution set. The shaded region is the solution set. Note on first. The shaded region is the solution set. Next, 11th one. 11th one. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4, x plus y less than or equal to 3, comma 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 60, less than or 6. Here 3 inequalities given. You should write the data first. You should write data first. So see this one, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4 means in that one included 2. 2x plus y, it is equal to 4, this is 1. So 2x plus y greater than 4, this is equation number 2. So now table for this one, x, y is equal to 0, x equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 substituted 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. So x is equal to 0 substituted y is equal to 4. So put x equal to 0, comma y is equal to 0 in equation number 2. What happens? So 0 greater than 4. It is always false. It is always false. False means line above you have to shade. So true means the line below you have to shade. So next one, second one, x plus y less than or equal to 3 implies x plus y, it is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. So x plus y less than 3, it is equation number 4. Now take the term. Box for this x, y. So y is equal to 0, x equal to 0. So y is equal to 0, 3, x equal to 0, also 3. So this is 0 is substituted, 0 less than 3. This is true. That is next one, 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. So this one included. So 2x minus 3y, it is equal to 6, equation number 5. So 2x minus 3y, so less than 6. It is equation number 6. So now take the box. X, y. So y is equal to 0, x equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 substituted, what happens? This is 2x is equal to 6, x equal to 3. Next one, x equal to 0, what happens? So minus 3y is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 2. So x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means 0 less than 6. This is true. X less 0 less than 6. It is always false. So now take the graph. Listen carefully. Now 0. So see x values and y values. X value is 0 to 3, 3. So 3 is maximum. 1, 2, 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Understand? Now scale. Scale is what? Scale is what? 1 unit on x-axis, 1 unit on x-axis, 1 unit on y-axis. That point is a regular point only, you have to note down. So after this, one by one. So x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means this one. Y is equal to 4. 4 is here. So join these two with the dark line. Join these two with the dark line. So you write this name. What is that name? 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. So greater than means it is false. That area is here. That area is here. You put arrow marks. You put arrow marks. This side means about this line. Solution is presented here. Solution is presented here. Don't be confused. So after that, solution is presented here. Solution is presented here. So after that, next one. So x plus y equal to 0. X equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So x equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So join these two with the dark line. X plus y less than 3, less than or equal to. So this solution is true, means this side is there, this side is there. So now you observe here. So this is here, this is here. This both are intersected here. According to these two graphs, so one common solution is there. Here one common solution is there. This is above, that is coming down. So both are intersecting here. Okay na? Here. For two inequalities, common solution is there. Next, third inequality also is there. You represent that one. So x equal to 3. X equal to 3. So 3 means here. Next, what is that? Y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 means this one. So join these two. Join these two. So what is that? 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. That is true, means above. You have to shade above. You have to shade above, means above. So this is this side, this is this side. Both all are intersecting here only na. This area all are intersecting. This area all are intersecting. You have to observe or identify that indication is very, very important. So both are intersecting. The shaded region is the shaded region is the solution set. The shaded region is the solution set. Note down fast. Note down fast. The shaded region is the solution set. Note down fast. Each and every, this identification is very, very important. I am not shading full, just I am showing the arrow marks. That common region only I am shading. So, ಮೂರು inequalities ಎಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೋ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? That is our solution. ಅಂದ್ರೆ in this area, whatever the points you consider, that all points satisfied by these three inequalities. That points satisfied by these three inequalities. So this is very, very, very important concept for first PUC and second PUC also. So you learn very much in this first PUC. So second PUC concept is very easy to you. Okay, as it is you have to done in second PUC also. So on this you have in second PUC 6 marks question is there. So the same question they will ask here 5 marks. The same question they will ask in second PUC 6 marks. Listen carefully. Not on fast. Remaining questions. So 11th one completed. Next 12th one. 12th one you do homework. I will do 13th one. 13th one I will do. 13th one. 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 16, y greater than 2x greater than or equal to 2x, comma x greater than or equal to 3, comma x comma y greater than or equal to 0. X comma y greater than or equal to 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂದ್ರೆ the common solution will be present in first quadrant. That a common solution should be contained in first quadrant. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ರೈಟ್? ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. See that one. Next one, 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 60 implies 4x plus 3y, it is equal to 60. This is equation number 1. So 4x plus 3y, it is less than 60. This is equation number 2. So take the table for this. X, y. So y is equal to 0, x equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 substituted, x equal to 15. So x is equal to 0 means this is 20. So put x equal to 0, comma y is equal to 0 in equation number 2. What happened? 0 less than 60. This is true always. It is true always. Next one, y greater than or equal to 2x. So this one, y is equal to 2x. So and y greater than 2x. Okay, now this is 3. So it is always passes through origin. This one you have to modify. So 2x minus y less than 0. 2x minus y less than 0. This is modified. Okay, now remember this point. 2x minus y less than 0. Less than idre ಯಾವ ತರ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, greater than idre ಯಾವ ತರ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. Okay ನಾ? Next last one, x greater than or equal to 3 means it one included x equal to 3 and it is parallel to y-axis. It is parallel to y-axis. Remember this point. It is parallel to y-axis. Next one. See this graph. Next term. See this graph. Y dash, x dash, x. So x value is maximum, what is there? 15. Here x value is 3, x 3, 15, y value is 20. So you take each unit is 2 units, you take each part, 2 units scale. So 2 units on x-axis. Otherwise you take 1 unit only, not a problem. 1 unit only you take. Scale 1 unit on x-axis, 1 unit on y-axis you take. So what happens you see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. On y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on up to you take last value 20. So you take more lines. After that, first graph you have to take x equal to 15. X equal to 15, y is equal to 20. So join these two. That is 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 60. Where we have to shade, that is true means so this side we have to shade. This side we have to shade. So that is our one graph solution. Right? So after that, this is next one is y is equal to 2x, always passes through origin. So y greater than or equal to 2x. It is always passes through other. Where we have to shade above the line. Above the line. Above the line we have to shade. Why this is less than 0? Greater than 0 means downside the line. So after that one more line is given, x equal to 3. X equal to 3 means here this one. X equal to 3. X greater than or equal to 3. So x greater than or equal to 3 means it is this side we have to shade. This side. So all are intersecting where? This is this. This is this. This is this. All are intersecting here. This area. That is our common area. So the shaded region is the solution set. The shaded region is the solution set. Now done fast. The shaded region is the solution set. Okay na? So you should identify very very clearly. Main points are I am not shading each and every one. Okay na? In previous class I showing arrow marks each and every one. Okay na? Here I will not take like that. Just I am taking separate. Just I am showing the direction, means this is in this direction. This is below. So this is that side, means all are intersecting here. So all are intersecting there only. So that is our solution set. The shaded region is the solution set. Okay na? Idu correct agi identify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Line above. So you take one color. Okay na? So next this side you take second curve, you take one color, second color. Next one is this down you take another. Means three colors where is intersected. So that is our common area you should take. So three different colors you have to follow. So here one side you have to shade. Here one side we have to shade. For each curve you have to take one color. And you have to shade it. So three colors where is intersected, that is our solution set. Like that also you can practice. Okay na? These all questions you done in graph only. Remember this point. Okay na? All solutions. So remaining two problems, 14, 15 you should solve. 14, 15 you should solve. 14 and 15. So next class I will start a new chapter. Okay na? Thank you everyone. Okay, thank you all. These questions you should practice. Okay, thank you all.